All right, let's do this snapshot review of unit number 9, methods of legal description. Let's hit it. First and foremost, we hit the meets and bounds, all the rectangular survey system or the government survey system, which is one and the same, and the recorded plat and or lots and blocks, which is one and the same. That's what they call these. So there are 3, 2 of which they call 2 different things, and one is just the meets and bounds. So remember, rectangular survey is also referred to as the government survey, and also remember that recorded plat is also referred to as lots and blocks, depending on where y'all are going to be taking this exam, okay? Legal descriptions is sufficiently accurate, acceptable in a court of law, facilitates transfers, and avoids disputes, used in legal contracts. That's when we need to have them. The first one is the meets and bounds description. It describes the property's perimeter by landmarks, monuments, distances, and angles. From point of beginning describes the perimeter and returns to the point of beginning, usable within the rectangular survey system. The rectangular survey system, the second one, the survey grid, the meridians, parallels, ranges. Okay, and then we kind of figured out they're consisting of 6 miles by 6 miles square of land. And then we had sections of a township, 36 sections per township. I told you that was important. Each one is 1 mile square. And then each section is 640 acres. Fractions of sections described by size and location within progressively larger quarters of the section. And then how do we do the math? Well, to convert section fractions to acres, the formula is multiply the denominators of the section fractions and then divide the product into 640. Okay? Then we get to the recorded plat method, or lots and block system used in surveyed subdivisions. This is the third method. It's also known as the lots and blocks method. The subdivision plat map, surveyed plat of subdivided tract, legal descriptions if approved, and then it's recorded, right? The description of the format, lots within subdivisions are identified by lot references and block references. So an example would be Lot 7, Block B of the Grand Oaks subdivision. And then the last thing that we learned about in this particular section is Unit 9 is what is describing elevations. What is a datum? Is a standard elevation reference point. And a benchmark is an elevation marker officially surveyed and registered. So those are datums and benchmarks, pretty much just vocab phrases. Those are things you might just see as a vocab phrase. And that is all of the information that we kind of learned in unit number 9. That was the snapshot review. So I would finish with this. I would possibly start with this. I would do the PowerPoint reviews that we just did in the beginning of this, and I would try to check out all of the different pre-exam questions and then follow up with the post-exam or the post-chapter exams or quizzes after you're done with the section, just to kind of reinforce all of the things that you learned. I would also keep those PowerPoint slides open or the slide decks open while you're looking at the main bulk of the units so that you're able to go ahead and check off various topics that you think are relevant or that we thought were relevant during the presentation. All right, we'll see you in the next one.